Hi, my name is Ashley Dixon. What is my experience with research? Um, in my undergrad as a psychology student, I took research methods. There were two sections to it, and I took both of those sections. So that's pretty much my experience with research. Um, what would make learning research fun for you? So I think that having real life topics, like things that maybe are in the news now, or things that we could apply to our real life when we graduate, and things that are just relevant. After viewing the syllabus, what excites you about this course? So I think I'm most excited about I've never taken an online class like this before, so this is interesting and new. um, but I would say that I'm excited to do the agency project. So I guess we'll just see how everything goes.